A historic blizzard is paralyzing Green Bay. 30-plus inches of snow, trapped vehicles, a massive fire, and zero visibility turning streets into chaos.
Crazy, isn't it? I'd go out.
Christians continue to just hammer this area.
Good to go. We'll be ready.
A powerful winter storm has slammed into Green Bay, unleashing one of the most intense blizzards the region has seen in years. Dubbed the Ides of March blizzard, this storm is bringing relentless snowfall, hurricane-force wind gusts, and life-threatening conditions across the city. Snow accumulation has already surpassed 30 inches in some areas, with more still falling. Residents describe being completely trapped inside their homes, unable to leave even in emergencies. Visibility has dropped to near zero at times, as fierce winds whip snow into blinding whiteout conditions. Major highways, including Interstate 43 and Interstate 41, have become scenes of chaos. Dozens of vehicles are stranded, buried under heavy snow, with emergency crews using specialized equipment to carry out rescues. In a shocking moment, even a Green Bay police car became stuck in deep snow on a downtown street.
I can't even tell where the fucking road's at.
Maybe snow drifts.
It's crazy.
Good morning. It's Monday, March 16th, 2000.
Amid the storm, a massive fire broke out at the Green Bay converting facility. Fueled by extreme weather conditions, flames quickly spread, causing parts of the structure to collapse while explosions were reported. Firefighters struggled to reach the scene as snow-clogged roads and intense winds slowed their response. Elsewhere in Wisconsin, including Door County, conditions are even more severe. Snow totals have exceeded 36 inches, with winds over 55 miles per hour. Some areas even reported rare thunderstorm, where lightning and thunder strike during a snowstorm. Authorities are urging residents to stay indoors and avoid travel unless absolutely necessary. Businesses have shut down, roads are nearly impassable, and the city remains on high alert. As the storm continues, the focus now turns to survival and the long recovery ahead once the snow finally stops falling.
We don't have earthquakes, we don't have hurricanes, we don't have alligators.
is Monday the 16th, and as you know, we are closed at Alton.